Imagine walking into a courtroom where your lawyer isn't a person, it's an artificial intelligence. No suit, no briefcase, just lines of code ready to argue your case. It sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, but this future is closer than you think. The world's first AI lawyer is already here, and it's about to challenge everything we know about justice. The big question is, can it actually win? For hundreds of years, the legal system has relied on human lawyers, people who study for years, memorize laws, and stand before judges to fight for their clients. But now, AI is stepping into the ring. It doesn't need sleep, it doesn't forget details, and it can analyze thousands of cases in seconds. Companies like DonaPay have already used AI to help people fight parking tickets, sue big corporations, and even file immigration paperwork, all without a human attorney. But these are small-scale battles. What happens when AI goes head-to-head with real lawyers in a real courtroom? The answer: things get complicated. In early 2023, an AI was supposed to defend someone in an actual US court case. The plan was simple. The defendant would wear an earpiece, and the AI would listen to the arguments in real time, then whisper legal strategies into their ear. No human lawyer, just an algorithm calling the shots. But before it could happen, state bar associations shut it down. They threatened the developers with jail time if they went through with it. Why? Because the legal world wasn't ready. Or maybe because they were afraid of what AI could do. Think about what makes a great lawyer: knowledge. An AI can access every law, every task case, every legal strategy instantly. Persuasion: AI can craft arguments based on what's worked before, tailoring its words to sway a judge or jury. Strategy: it can predict the other side's moves like a chess grandmother. But law isn't just about logic, it's about emotion. A jury doesn't just decide based on facts, they decide based on human stories. Can an AI really understand a grieving parent, a betrayed business partner, or a desperate defendant? Or will it just see them as data points in a case file? Some people say AI will never replace human lawyers because justice isn't just about rules, it's about fairness, morality, and sometimes even mercy. A good lawyer doesn't just know the law, they know when to push and when to hold back. They can read a room, sense a judge's mood, or connect with a jury on a personal level. Can a machine do that? But others argue that AI could be the best thing to ever happen to the legal system. Right now, good lawyers are expensive. If you're rich, you can hire the best. If you're poor, you might get an overworked public defender or no help at all. AI could change that. Imagine having a top-tier legal advisor in your pocket, available to anyone for free. It could eliminate human bias, corruption, and even simple mistakes that come from exhaustion or emotion. There's also the question of trust. Would you let an AI defend you in court? Some might say yes. After all, it wouldn't get distracted, wouldn't miss key details, and wouldn't charge outrageous fees. But others would hesitate. What if the AI makes a mistake? What if it doesn't understand the nuances of your case? And who's responsible if it loses? The programmer, the company, the AI itself? The truth is, AI lawyers are coming, whether the legal system is ready or not. And when the first AI wins a major case, everything changes. Will it be a victory for fairness and accessibility, or the start of a system where justice is decided by algorithms? One thing's for sure, the courtroom of the future won't look like it does today. So what do you think? Would you trust an AI to argue for you? Or is law one of those things that should always stay human? The debate is just beginning, and the verdict is still out.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.